but easy and convenient. Step 1. When the packaging goes on the
Good day, my name is Rendani from the Kailam branch. I joined Chamberlain family back in 2022, working in the garden department. Today we'll be showing basic ways to install your irrigation in your office space and home garden. Here we have our LDP pipe. I have my pipe cutter, my tap, my snap-on. I have my full flow elbow that we're gonna use to join our corners in the pipe. I have my full flow connector. I also have my end caps. So blue represent 15 mil, the one in green represent a 20 mil pipe, which makes it easy when you are buying fittings for your pipes. Here we also have our shrub connectors that we use when we just have to replace our adjustable sprinkler heads. We also have hose clamps when you want to put your pipe underground using different types of fittings. I also have the socket nylon that we use to join or if you want to extend your stand-up pipe fitting. For the irrigation stand-up pipes, I have different sizes, which is the 200 mil. I also have the 500 mil. Then we have our pop-up sprinklers, which are color-coded, which represent the distance they cover. Irrigation was developed to control the amount of water in your garden while giving even distribution of water around your plants. Before installing our irrigation pipe, we first measure the space where we'll be installing the irrigation, then we cut the pipe. After pushing in our pipe on our snap-on fitting, we're gonna join our elbow, which will help with the bending of the pipe. Then we'll continue to extend our pipe. Now we're gonna measure the spaces where we'll be putting up our pop-up sprinklers in our garden. A nice tip, it's important to heat up your pipe using a lighter or warm water. Now that we have measured the areas where we'll be putting up pop-ups in our garden, it's time to choose the types of pop-up sprinklers we're gonna put on. Here I have two types of sprinklers which have different sprinkler heads. The first one covers 5.2 meters. The next one covers 4.6 meters. Now we're gonna install our pop-ups. Just remember, before you put an end cap on your irrigation pipe, it's important to flush out your pipes to avoid cloggings from stones that may have entered while you are putting on your fittings. Now that we have flushed out our irrigation pipes, we can put on our end cap. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit one of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903. See you in store.